Hi all, welcome back to another art video. Today I'm gonna show you how to add details to an oil pastel painting. You know how oil pastel tips are not very sharp, they are round and flat and kind of blunt. So this is one of the biggest disadvantages of oil pastels because you can't add details like a thin line, for example, with these big tips. So let's say you're drawing with soft pastels, then there are soft pastel pencils that allow you to draw fine lines with and add those tiny little details. And if you're working with watercolors, acrylics or oil paints, you can always use a thin brush. But when you're working with oil pastels, it's really hard to do detailed work. So if you have any experience with oil pastels, you'll probably know that this is one of the biggest struggles of oil pastel users. So I'm gonna show you an easy and effective way to do this. This is a painting that I did for my upcoming children's book. I did this painting using oil pastels. Now I want to add a spider web to these two corners of the painting. A spider web is usually white. So if you take a look at the white Sennelier oil pastel, you will see that the tip is too big to draw the lines of a spider web. Even if you sharpen this pastel, which is going to waste the pastel first of all, but even if you sharpen it, you can't get a tip that is thin enough to draw fine lines with. So let's see how you can do this. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is to add a layer of fixatives on top of the existing painting. Please note that this is not mandatory, it's just recommended. This way you won't miss the bottom layer when you are adding new details to the top. So I have already added a layer of fixatives to this painting. If you want to know how I fix my oil pastel paintings, please check out the video that I'm putting up on the top right hand corner and also the video description. So the next thing you have to do is to get a piece of paper, sketch out the drawing that you want add to the oil pastel painting. In my case, it's a spider web which I have already drawn on this piece of paper. You have to add a generous amount of oil pastels in the color that you want the sketch to be on the other side of the sketch. I hope you can see clearly that I have added a layer of white oil pastels. Make sure you cover the entire surface properly. Then carefully place the colored side of the piece of paper on the oil pastel painting so that the colored side is touching the painting. This way you can now take a pencil or pen and draw over your sketch. The size of the tip of the pen or pencil should be the size that you want the lines to be in. And also don't mess with this piece of paper too much. Don't touch it here and there. That's gonna rub pastels on your oil pastel painting underneath. So be careful when you're handling the piece of paper. Just make sure that you're drawing over your sketch with the pencil or pen. And now for the fun part. As simple as that. And now I'm gonna draw the other spider web using the same method. By the way, your pastels need to be quite creamy and soft for this to work properly. It works like magic for Sennelier, obviously, because Sennelier is one of the most creamiest oil pastel brands out there. But I'm not sure how this will work for more hard oil pastel brands. I guess you will have to test and see. Please do leave a comment for the others if you happen to try this with some other oil pastel brand and it worked. So if in case this method doesn't work for you, there's another method that you can try. You can take an oil pastel solvent like linseed oil, dip a small brush into the solvent and scoop up pigment from the pastel into the brush. You can then draw lines with the brush. If you want, you can dissolve a piece of pastel in linseed oil and make a small pulp that's gonna be quite like oil paints. And then you can dip your pencil into the pulp and take pigment off onto your brush. Now I have tried these techniques with Sennelier, so I'm not sure how this will work for other brands. I haven't even actually taken the time to test it. If you try it and if it works, please do leave a comment for the others. Okay, so that concludes today's video. I hope you learned two techniques that you can use to add details to an oil pastel painting. Thanks for watching this, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.